Right, well, turning now to the broader economy, US retail sales seeing a drastic rise in January. This despite rising prices, inflation, and of course, a hawkish Fed. Now, the data follows a strong jobs report and signals a still hot economy. Here with the details, Yahoo Finance's Ines Ferré. Hey, Ines.
Hey, Rochelle, that's right. And good news for the economy is bad news for stocks because we have seen stocks lower today after that better than expected retail sales report. So strong retail sales numbers coming out with those up 3% in January. The estimate was for 2%. This means that the Fed can continue tightening, and that is what the market is interpreting here. Now, we did see Treasury yields go higher. So right now we're looking at the 10-year Treasury note at 3.8%. We also saw the U.S. dollar index take a little bit higher. So right now it's at 104.02. So that dollar index, that's the dollar against a basket of currencies, that is also putting pressure on stocks right now. I do want to mention that retail sales are nominal. That means that they're not adjusted for inflation, but nevertheless, these came in better than expected. Department stores rose 17.5%. So that kind of jives with the thesis from some analysts saying that consumers were waiting for the sales after the holidays to shop. Now, I have the apparel intraday chart here for you, so you can see a little bit of a mixed picture here. I do also want to note that some of these names may be down because Jefferies downgraded 4 apparel names to hold cautious, saying that the consumer may be getting squeezed and that may be eventually spending less on apparel. On names like American Eagle, which was downgraded to a hold, that's down 2% right now. Another strong part of the report came out of sales of restaurants and bars. That was up 7.2%. And I want to just show you some of the restaurant stocks right now, as we can see. So you have a little bit of a mixed picture here, but overall, you're looking at overall stocks that are down. And in some of these areas, some of these retail areas, you can see a mixed picture.
Certainly an interesting stock picking season that we're in here, when we see some of the dichotomies within some of these sectors. Ines Ferré, thank you for that update.